Hi everyone, and thank you for joining. My name is Lorenz, and I work at RETScreen. I'm part of the capacity building team here at RETScreen, where I'm in charge of providing customer support to our different users. So for this presentation, we thought it would be a good opportunity to give you all a brief overview, a brief summary of the different resources that are available to help you, whether you're a new user looking to learn more about RETScreen or an existing user looking to improve your knowledge of the software. So we've actually listed the different resources I'm about to present directly on the conference website, as you can see on the right-hand side. And my goal for the next few minutes is to tell you more about each of these resources and how they could be useful to you. So the first resource we've listed here is a link to our official RETScreen website. That's where you'd go if you wish to download RETScreen, of course, if that's not already the case. This is also the place where you can find the latest version of the software. So we usually make announcements through our different communication channels, so through our newsletters and LinkedIn posts to let you all know when a new version is available. And when this happens, you simply have to come to this page to download the latest version of the software. I would also like to remind everyone that RETScreen is free to download, and you can also use it for free in viewer mode. That's a very good way to learn about the software and explore the different features of the software. However, for those of you who wish to subscribe to the professional mode to have access to additional features, you can purchase a subscription through this page. So the annual subscription costs 869 Canadian dollars, and you can install the software on up to 10 computers in your organization. For educational institutions such as colleges and universities, this same subscription gives you the opportunity to install RETScreen on all your computers, as well as on your student-owned computers. So this is a very good way, if you're a university, for instance, to include RETScreen as part of your curriculum and as part of your different energy-related courses. So again, this is the only place to go to download RETScreen. So if you're a new user or soon to be new user who is interested and curious about RETScreen, don't wait. You can already download and start exploring the different features of RETScreen for free from here. The next resource I want to share with you is the MOOC, the Massive Online Open Courseware. This is an online course that has been developed by HEC Montréal and that is hosted on the edX, the EDX platform. It is a free, self-paced introductory course to energy management with RETScreen. So it's not only about RETScreen per se, but more a course about how to use RETScreen to help you make and support energy management or energy-related decisions. It's an excellent course if you're a new user who wants to learn more about both RETScreen and energy management at the same time. As I said, this MOOC is free, but if you wish to purchase a course certification to prove that you've successfully completed the course, you can also do so for an additional fee. I know that if you do, we provide you with the 90-day trial key to the professional mode. Last thing, this course is open for enrollment many times per year and is also available in French and Spanish. So make sure to check out the edX website to have more information if you're interested by these different courses. If you prefer a more traditional learning experience with the chance to interact with a trainer, the Canadian Institute of Energy Training, CIET, offers in-class and virtual trainings on RETScreen. They have developed 3 courses to suit different needs and levels of experience. The first course is a 1-day introduction to RETScreen, which is of course perfect for those of you with no prior experience with the software. The second course is actually the most popular one, the Certified RETScreen Expert course, the CRE. This 3-day course allows you to really explore the different aspects and features of RETScreen, and upon completion, you can even receive a certification to prove that you've successfully passed that course and that you're a certified RETScreen expert. The third course offered by CIET is the Advanced RETScreen Professional course, which is designed for those of you who want to become advanced users and master all the different features of the software. So these 3 courses are held and delivered multiple times per year. So be sure to check out CIET's training calendar to find out about the next available dates and to register if you're interested. Know that if you're an organization, CIET also offers customized courses depending on your needs, so just reach out to them to learn more about their training options. The last set of resources I want to share with you can be found at the bottom of the conference website. These are links to our RETScreen e-learning channel, where you'll find free video trainings and tutorials to help you get the most out of the software. The content ranges from short, few minutes tutorials to longer recordings of webinars we've done in the past. So we have dozens of videos in there, and we've organized them into playlists so that you can easily find the ones that are relevant to your needs and to the type of analysis you're working on in RETScreen. Know that you can also find direct links to these videos from RETScreen itself in the help section. So the relevant links will show up depending on the module and type of project, type of analysis you're working on in RETScreen. We really highly encourage you to check out these videos when you have the time, and especially when you have questions or are unsure about how to properly use certain RETScreen features. They're really, really helpful and useful, and even us at the customer support team, we use them all the time for our own knowledge or to help our different users. Know also that we regularly add new videos to this channel to keep up with the new features that are constantly being added to RETScreen. So be sure to always come back and check it out when you have questions. So that concludes my presentation. Thank you all for listening, and I wish you all a very good and insightful experience with RETScreen.
Thank you, Lorenz, for telling us about all those additional RETScreen resources. Before we close out, I would like to personally thank all our RETScreen World Conference 2023 experts who contributed their time and knowledge to educate us on the power and capability of the RETScreen Clean Energy Management Software Platform version 9. A special thank you to Gregory J. Lang, creator and director of the RETScreen Clean Energy Management Software Platform at Natural Resources Canada's CanMet Energy Research Centre in Varennes. Thanks for all the RETScreen insights, showing us where it all started, where it is now, and where we see RETScreen going in the future. Of course, the biggest thank you goes to you, the RETScreen community of users, who have taken time out of your day to join us here at the RETScreen World Conference, and who, through your input and actions, are helping make the world a better place. Thanks for joining us.